This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Before you attempt to remove the spare tire on a GMC Savana, prepare the scene. Park on level ground, set the parking brake, and place wheel chocks on both sides of a front wheel. Gather the lug wrench, the spare winch key or jack handle stored with the jack, gloves, and a flashlight. Always work from the outside rear of the vehicle. Do not crawl beneath it. Keep the engine off and the vehicle in park while you access the spare winch access hole. Open the rear cargo doors and locate the spare winch access hole. On many Savana models, it sits near the center of the rear bumper or under the cargo floor panel. Insert the supplied winch key, jack handle, or crank into the hex fitting and turn counterclockwise steadily. You will see the cable unwind and the tire descend. Continue cranking until the spare rests on the ground. Reach under, pull the cable release clip or unhook the retaining strap, and slide the tire out from under the vehicle. Once the spare is resting on the ground, slide it out from under the rear, unhook the cable, and lift it clear of the winch assembly. If you're mounting the spare, align it with the hub, hand thread the lug nuts, then tighten them in a star pattern to seat the wheel evenly. After lowering the vehicle and final tightening, check spare tire pressure and condition. Do not exceed recommended speeds for temporary spares. Secure tools and the removed wheel in the cargo area, and repair or replace the original tire promptly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.